Got a sweet tooth? You're gonna love this Black Forest cheesecake. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need cream cheese, sugar, eggs, vanilla extract, cocoa powder, chocolate chips, and a can of cherry pie filling. And don't forget your graham cracker crust. Start by preheating your oven to 325 degrees. In a large bowl, beat the cream cheese and sugar until smooth. Add the eggs one at a time, then stir in the vanilla and cocoa powder. Fold in those luscious chocolate chips. Pour the mixture into your graham cracker crust. Smooth it out and bake for 45 minutes, or until the center is almost set. Let it cool completely, then spread the cherry pie filling on top. Pop it in the fridge for at least 4 hours to set. And there you have it, a delightful Black Forest cheesecake that's sure to impress. Enjoy your baking adventure. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes.